Welcome back to the AFS vlog. Check what we got today. Seth, what we got today? What we got today?
Oh, we got our struts back finally. Shout out Airtekk. They rebuilt these for us. Make sure they're not leaking anymore. And I guess they sent me new valves. I don't even know if I want to use them though. There's nothing wrong with those. Shout out Airtekk. Even though we're running airlift management, Airtekk provided us with all the struts. They've been great. We just didn't take very good care of them, so now we back.
The continuation of vlog number 8. I mean, this is vlog number 9 now. The Tesla build continues. Check out this dog. This is my dog. This is Biggie. Well, you got anything to say, Biggie? Oh, snap.
Gonna pet that dog? Can I pet that dog?
Let me pet that dog. But yeah, this is what the Tesla looks like right now. Been sitting here for a week, waiting for the struts to get back. But now we back on the road. I think we'll be able to drive this thing today. I think we gotta tuck the airlines and everything, but yeah, that's about it. Tuck the airlines, put the struts back in, put the wheels back on, then boom, we're driving. Because we already got the air management set up and everything. So you gotta put the air tank back in, the compressors. Yeah, we Gucci. All right.
The next day.
All right, y'all. It's the next day, and we installed everything. And it looks like it seems to not leak anymore for now. But we're about to go test drive it. See how it looks. It looks good though right now. Oh yeah, we also got the window visors. What do they call it? Mirror visors? Yeah. Something like that from Airwolf. Shout out to Airwolf.
Flashback.
All right, what you got, Seth?
Some more parts for my car. I forgot I ordered this one. Shout out to Airwolf. But they always take care of me on most of my builds. These are a little accent piece. I'm about to destroy this box kit. I don't feel like over here. It's cool, man. All the details. Look at this. So these are little visors for your mirrors. You can mold them to any shape and typically go on like Yana doors and stuff like that. But I think it's cool to add a little bit of style. Look at this packaging, man. Yuzu gummy candy.
Wait, they give you candy? Oh, that's sick.
From Japan. That's cool. Shout out Airwolf.
Sick.
Shout out to the guys at Airwolf. Yeah.
End of flashback.
Dang, that was good. No, that is sick, yo. We are actually done with this car now, air suspension wise. It's on the ground.
I think it's lower than the last one. Oh, it looks good though. Sick. Dude, I almost hit the mic like a vape. Now we gotta wash it, get ready to wrap. And just bolt up a couple more things. But yeah, she's done. The hard part's over. Okay. All right. So a common problem with Teslas, when you put bigger wheels than the factory, they tend to go in kind of a limp mode and won't let you drive how fast you want to. Kind of cap it off at like 45 miles an hour. Happens sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. I'm really hoping it does not happen this time. So we're about to see. Now we're gonna launch it. Let's see. I think it'll let us. That's working. We got a little bit of air time, so we lost traction. Alignment's not that bad. Oh, I'm so happy. Successful mission, Kevin.
Oh yeah.
Successful mission, boys.
Mirror. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty perfect, man. Don't rub.
The next day.
All right, y'all, we got an unexpected turn of events. Seth, Where we at today?
And it's Sunday morning. I'm a little hungover. No, just kidding. We got Catalina. Was it Catalina and cars or just Catalina? Catalina coffee. I've been here several times. See, I'm still waking up. But there's a lot of super sick cars out here. Hey, this Tundra, I think is the best.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
What was that? I don't know, but I flinched. It's on camera. But yeah, dude. Kevin took pictures of this. He'll do the thing where you can. It's beautiful. Goals. Did you? What car was that? Oh. The Audi?
Oh my god.
Oh, that one. What the hell? Damn, that's a cool shot right there. If that Lexus moves with Bryce's car in the background. We got Ben's car. Sick. Super clean, super fast. We got Kevin's car. Super clean, super new. And we got my car. It's alright. And then Bryce's. I really want a coffee, bro, but that line's long. This is cool. This is a badass picture. This little yellow house. It's perfectly centered. Here, come here. And it has the arrow in the middle too. Right on the floor. If you went vertical, you could see it. Check.
Said, what we doing today?
We're finally wrapping this car. Hold on. Finally wrapping it. Almost there. We're like, what, 80%? Oh, the bags work now. Ride height's perfect. Air out's perfect. Air up, perfect. But yeah, now we're about to drop some B-roll of height, letting some film. Or after, before. Either way, we're gonna have B-roll of it done. So, after Catalina, a bunch of idiots ruined it for us. This whole takeover, I don't know what. It's not even a culture, bro. This whole takeover, kids are ruining the car scene for us good people. It's kind of annoying, but yeah, Catalina's done for. But if you know the right people, it's not over yet.
Alright, check this out, y'all. This is the air suspension setup. It's an air tank, compressors. Only one of them worked though, but it looks sick. We got the sticker on the side. We all got the sticker on our side. It looks sick. With the yellow brakes and everything, it matches halfway there. Hopefully, we'll get this finished in a day or two. Alright, Tammy, say hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's up, y'all, from AFS? It's another lovely day here. As always, weather's just beautiful.
Actually, this khaki color with the bronze, fire. Get best of both worlds. You get gray in the one. What are you doing? What are you doing, dog? I'm gonna get y'all some more B-roll. The wrap. This car is gonna be finished. I might do some cinematics in the end, so stay tuned.
That customer that just came in, he said we left him on a cliffhanger with our vlog. He was like, dude, so we caught a turtle on accident. Yeah, I have no idea how, because there's no water around here like that. It's not even a real size turtle, bro. It's like somebody's pet. But what should we name him? Thinking like Spark. Spark. Speedy.
He's looking straight at the camera.
You got something to say?
He's a snapping turtle.
Oh! Get it, boy! Get it, boy! He feel better now.
Oh my gosh, he's moving.
What are you doing? It's gonna get out there in the morning. You can't leave it in there.
No, but for now.
He's
He bullying. Look.
Turtle name.
Say hi to the vlog, Julie, Emily.
Hi.
Cheeky baby. Little cheeky baby.
Verde.
Yeah, that's pretty insane though. I don't know how we caught a turtle.
It's gonna be my new pet. I'm gonna come home and come back to work with a piece missing out of my finger.
What are we doing today?
Special delivery. Special delivery. We got a package from. This is an old school wheel. Avant-Garde, aka AG. I'm excited about these actually. Oh wow. Ordered custom. Holy.
Oh man. Whoa.
Oh, they're BCs. I'm tripping. Not AGs.
What?
They're BC wheels. BC, man. BC forged.
Oh, nice. Is that the rear or the front? Rear? Ooh. Yeah.
Stop.
We're gonna lower this baby, slap some wheels on it, tires, call it a day. A little poke to it, or like they flush? Okay. Watch it be another wheel. You want to give us an update on Tesla?
Alright, so the Tesla's just about done-ish. Last time y'all saw it, I think we were finishing the wrap of the suspension. Right now we're about to put Dino Shield. Dino Shield is a windshield protection film. It's going to prevent rock chips and cracking the windshield. This windshield's pretty expensive, so you don't want to crack it. So it's a good idea, good investment. But we're taking off the hood, windshield wipers, just so we can get the whole glass. Typically, we don't really do that, but in this case, obviously we will.